Are you tired of being too available and predictable in your romantic relationships? Do you want to make your potential partner chase after you and keep them intrigued by your mysterious nature? Well, we have some tips on how to stay mysterious and make her chase you. Being mysterious can add an extra level of excitement and anticipation to your dating life, making your potential partner wonder what makes you tick and crave to know more about you. So let's dive into the secrets of staying mysterious and making her chase you. Number 1. The eye contact. If you're looking to attract someone's attention and add an element of mystery to your persona, eye contact is a powerful tool to help you achieve your goal. But it's not just any eye contact that will do the trick. First and foremost, it's important to exude confidence when making eye contact. This means holding your head up high, maintaining good posture, and projecting an air of self-assurance. This will make you appear intriguing and magnetic to those around you. But don't just lock eyes and stare indefinitely. To strike the perfect balance of interest and intrigue, hold eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds, allowing your gaze to linger long enough to establish a connection, but not so long as to make the other person feel uncomfortable. Additionally, it's important to remember that your eyes are a window to your soul. Use them to your advantage by subtly conveying a sense of mystery, depth, and complexity that leaves the other person wanting more. Whether through a sultry gaze, a playful smirk, or a subtle twinkle, allow your eyes to express something that words alone cannot. By mastering the art of eye contact, you can become an enigmatic figure that others are drawn to like moths to a flame. Number 2. Don't reveal everything about yourself. We all know that person who can't seem to stop talking, revealing every detail of their life, and leaving nothing to the imagination. But if you want to add an air of mystery to your personality, it's essential to resist the urge to overshare. When you reveal too much about yourself, you become an open book, leaving no room for intrigue or curiosity. Instead, try to keep your responses concise and to the point. By doing so, you'll create a sense of mystery and allure that will leave others wanting to know more. Of course, that's not to say you should be completely closed off. You can still share some details about yourself, but be strategic about what you reveal. By holding back on key pieces of information, you'll create a sense of depth and complexity that will keep the other person intrigued. Think of it like a game of poker. You don't want to reveal your entire hand at once. By keeping some cards close to your chest, you'll maintain an air of mystery that will keep the other person guessing and wanting more. Number 3. Stay calm. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to command attention effortlessly, while others struggle to be noticed at all? If you want to add a touch of mystery to your personality, one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is the art of calmness. While animated conversationalists may be fun and entertaining, they leave little to the imagination. By contrast, those who exude an air of calmness and composure are instantly intriguing. With just a few well-placed words, they can captivate an entire room. But what does it mean to be calm, exactly? It's about more than just keeping your voice down and maintaining good posture, though those things certainly help. It's about projecting an aura of self-possession and inner strength that can't be shaken by external circumstances. Whether you're facing a stressful situation or simply engaged in a casual conversation, staying calm can make all the difference. By remaining composed and collected, you'll leave the other person wondering what secrets lie beneath the surface. And that sense of mystery and intrigue can be incredibly alluring. With just a few carefully chosen words, you'll create a sense of mystery and allure that others will find impossible to resist. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons to show your support. If you've done that, let's continue. Number 4. Don't be available all the time. In a world where we're constantly connected, it can be tempting to be available 24 hours, 7 days a week. But if you want to add an element of mystery to your persona, it's essential to resist the urge to always be present. Being too available can make you come across as desperate or overeager, which is the opposite of mysterious. Instead, Try to limit your availability by being occasionally present. Don't show up to every social event or respond to every message immediately. Of course, this doesn't mean you should completely disappear from the radar. It's important to maintain connections and show up from time to time. But by holding back and keeping a bit of distance, you'll create a sense of intrigue and allure that others will find irresistible. So the next time you're tempted to respond to a message or show up to an event, take a beat and ask yourself if it's really necessary. By holding back and maintaining a bit of distance, you'll create an air of mystery that will keep others guessing and wanting more. And that's the secret to attracting people to you like moths to a flame. Number 5. Get busy with your own goals and hobbies. If you want to attract someone, one of the best ways to do so is to get busy with your own goals and hobbies. It may seem counterintuitive, but being too available can actually hurt your chances of building a strong connection. Instead, focus on building a fulfilling life for yourself. Think of it like a tripod stand. All 3 legs are necessary to create a stable foundation, and the same goes for your life. Your love life is just one part of who you are. By pursuing your passions and surrounding yourself with supportive friends and family, you'll become a more well-rounded and interesting person. When you have a balanced and positive outlook on life, it will show in your attitude and demeanor. Your date or love interest will be drawn to your energy and wonder what makes you so happy and fulfilled. So don't neglect the things that bring you joy and fulfillment for the sake of one person. By investing in yourself, you'll not only attract the right person, but also build a strong foundation for a lasting relationship. Number 6. Let the chemistry simmer before revealing your heart. You're crushing hard on someone, and it's tempting to spill all the emotions inside you, but hold off just a little bit longer. You don't want to pull a half-baked cake out of the oven, do you? Just like a cake needs time to bake, a romance needs time to simmer. Let the physical tension brew and the chemistry percolate until it's ready to explode. It's essential to understand that everyone has a different pace when it comes to feelings and relationships. So take your time and don't rush things. Instead, express your attraction and fondness for your crush in subtle, romantic ways. Flirt, have fun, and let the tension build naturally. And when the moment is right, and you know in your heart that it's time to share your feelings, go ahead and do it. By allowing the romance to develop organically, you'll give your crush the chance to see you in different situations and discover more about you. Remember, true love is a marathon, not a sprint. So enjoy the journey and let the chemistry simmer until it's ready to be savored. Build a solid bond. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.